had some time in the city, so I thought I'd show you guys some 5 types of locations that I think are great when you're starting off with photography, or even if you're just looking for a place to shoot because you don't have a studio. Alright, first up, parking garages. Definitely one of my favorite types of spots for a photo shoot. It's incredibly versatile, and depending on where the structure is located, we have some dope views. A parking garage can work for almost any type of style, from grungy to street. Even with glamorous styles, you would have amazing juxtaposition. The 606 Trail is definitely a location that's specific to Chicago. It's a long trail bridge that is located in the heart of the city that spans several neighborhoods. I love this location because, again, so many different options. I'm in love with the art here and the structure. If you're in a city that's like Chicago, it's likely there's some sort of art structure or area that you could take advantage of for your photo shoots. The L train. Now this may also be pretty specific to Chicago and cities that also have public transportation like this, like New York or London, but I love the trains in Chicago. And I have yet to do a proper photo session on a train, but one is definitely in the works, so stay tuned for that. But again, super versatile. Whether you are on the platform or in the train itself, just go for it and you'll get some awesome images. Next is a pretty popular suggestion, but it's a good one. Most cities might have a conservatory or a botanical garden. If you don't, try a forest preserve or a park. Also, keep in mind that places like this sometimes require a license to do a photo shoot, so be sure to do your due diligence and check before you book. And finally, either your local cafe or your favorite food joint. It's always a good time, and of course, food! If you're nervous at first, it never hurts to just ask the manager or owner if they're okay with you taking pictures in their place of business. The worst they can say is no, and if that's the case, just move on to the next spot. Right, so I definitely forgot to film an outro for this video, but thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed my photo shoot location suggestions. Please hit that like button if you found this video helpful, and let's be friends. Hit that subscribe button while you're at it. Alright, bye bye lovelies!